let us solve a problem mod x is neither 1 1 nor on 2. You know that when a function is said to be 1 1, if for two different pre-images we get two different images, or if for same pre-images we get two same images, then the function is called 1 1. And for onto, if all the elements in the codomain set have a pre-image in the domain set. For the basic concept of 1 1 function and onto function, you must watch the previous video of related to function. Now let's prove mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto. Remember the definition of mod x. Mod x equals to x when x is greater than 0. When x is positive, mod x equals to x, and 0 when x equals to 0, and negative x if x is negative. Okay, this was the definition of mod x. For different kinds of function, you will get another video in my channel. Now look, let two different numbers x1 equals to 1 and x2 equals to minus 1, and both are real numbers, right, and they belong to the domain set. Okay, this function fx equals to mod x is defined on real number, that is f maps from real number to real number. Okay, now if we consider x1 equals to 1 and x2 equals to minus 1, both belongs to the domain set real number, calculate the functional value of for x1, that is f of x1 equals to f of 1, that is mod 1, and the value is 1. And if we consider x2, f of x2 equals to f of minus 1, which is equals to mod of minus 1, which is again 1. Now look, here we have assumed two different values of x, that is two different pre-images are considered, 1 and minus 1. But for these two different pre-images we get a same image, that is if in the Venn diagram we denote the numbers as minus 1, this point, and this point is 1, both map with a same element 1 in the codomain set. So thus f is not 1 1, that is mod x is not 1 1. Okay, as for x1 not equals to x2, we have f of x1 equals to f of x2. Okay, that's why f is not 1 1. Recall the definition of mod x. Mod x equals to positive x for all the positive values of x, and 0 for x equals to 0, and negative x for all the negative values of x. So now we will prove that f is not onto function. For onto function, all the elements in the codomain set must have a pre-image in the domain set. Now if we draw the Venn diagram, before proving this statement mathematically, if we think about the Venn diagrams, suppose these are negative reals, this is 0, this is positive reals. Here this is negative reals, this is 0, this is positive reals. Okay, now for by the definition of mod x is positive, that is mod x is x if x is positive. So all the positive values will map with the positive number in the codomain set. This is domain set and this is codomain set, right? And 0 will map with 0 by the definition of mod x. And now look, for the negative numbers, mod x is minus x, and we know that modulus function always gives us positive value. Okay, so the negative numbers will also map with the positive values in the domain set. Then the negative numbers, negative reals in the codomain set don't have any pre-image in the domain set. Therefore, the function is not onto. So mathematically we have to write that let minus 2 belongs to real number and this real number is codomain set. Codomain set. So we have taken a minus to a number from the codomain set which has no pre-image in the domain set, right? Hence f is not onto. This is true for all the negative numbers of the codomain set. So we can say that mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment, and obviously please do subscribe my channel Strong Math. Mention your query. Keep watching. Thank you.